In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Alright, so got the potatoes going there. It's looking good so far. No sign of blight. Keep an eye on it. Okay, got the beets going there. Carrots is shooting up. Alright, so it's ready for harvest here. The radish is going. Spinach. What we got here? Uh-huh. It's ready. Yeah. Look at this. Also got the radish going there. Okay. Great. Yeah. So make sure I got the avocado. Peas are shooting. This there. And it's currently 24 degrees in the greenhouse.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto Make him, O sin.